So many sexual assaults in northern Nevada go unreported, and there are many reasons why.
I thought I could handle it.
I just wanted it to be over. I thought it was my fault.
And we want you to know that we hear you.
And as a community, we are here to help and support you.
So if you or someone you know has been a victim of sexual assault or unwanted sexual contact of any kind, here's where you can start.
The Sexual Assault Support Services, otherwise known as SAS, is a program of the Crisis Call Center, a nonprofit organization available to everyone 24/7, 365.
It's here to provide you with help and information.
Sexual assault and abuse comes in many different forms and has many different names.
So it can be difficult to know what to do if it happens to you.
Often, it's even harder to find the courage to speak up.
But it's most important to take care of you, and we encourage you to do so.
So no matter who you are, or where you come from, or what your situation is,
know that as a community, we are here to help and guide you through this difficult time with the support you need.
The hotline has caring operators and SAS advocates available to provide information regarding medical care, options to reporting to law enforcement, financial assistance, and long and short-term counseling.
We work collaboratively with local law enforcement, medical, and multiple community programs to ensure your safety and to get you the help and the support that you need.
All of the services provided by the SAS program are free and confidential. Contact us today for more information about the process towards healing, as well as for answers to any questions that you may have. You don't need to be alone.